If you're running a business online, your Facebook business page is one of the most powerful tools to connect with your audience, promote your brand, and drive sales. Unlike a personal profile, a business page gives you access to professional features, analytics, and advertising tools that help grow your business. Let's go over the essential things every business owner should know. First, your page info and settings are crucial. Make sure your page name, username, category, and business details like address, phone number, and website are accurate. This helps customers find you and ensures your business looks professional. You can also customize your page template based on your business type, whether it's a store, service, or nonprofit, to highlight the most relevant features. Next, content and engagement tools are key. You can post updates, photos, videos, and stories to keep your audience engaged. Use scheduled posts to plan your content ahead of time and maintain a consistent presence. Pin important posts to the top of your page, enable reviews to build trust, and respond to comments and messages promptly. Integration with Messenger allows for instant communication with customers. Another essential aspect is insights and analytics. Facebook provides detailed data about your audience, post performance, and engagement rates. You can track who's interacting with your page, what content performs best, and which demographics are most responsive. These insights help you create more targeted and effective content and ad campaigns. Advertising and monetization features are also important. A business page allows you to create ads, boost posts, and even set up a shop or services section to sell directly on Facebook. Tools like Facebook Pixel let you track conversions and optimize campaigns to get better results. Finally, security and access control matter. Assign page roles carefully to your team members, admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst, to control who can post, manage ads, or view insights. This protects your page while allowing effective collaboration. Overall, understanding these essentials, accurate business info, engaging content, insights, advertising tools, and secure team management, ensures your Facebook business page is not just a profile, but a powerful marketing and sales tool. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the essential things about Facebook business pages, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips, tutorials, and marketing strategies. Comment below and let me know which feature you use most on your business page. I'd love to hear your experience.